Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox voice chat not showing up in-game. First, let's cover some basic checks. Make sure your Roblox account is age verified, as this is a requirement for voice chat. Also, confirm your microphone is connected and functioning correctly on your device. A stable internet connection is crucial, so check your Wi-Fi or data. These initial steps often resolve common issues quickly, getting you back to chatting with friends. Next, let's dive into your Roblox settings. Age verification is essential. You'll need to upload a valid photo ID to confirm you are 13 years or older. Once verified, navigate to your privacy settings and ensure the Enable Voice Chat option is toggled on. Remember, not all Roblox games support voice chat, so confirm the game you're playing has this feature enabled by its developer. Now, let's look at your device and app permissions. It's vital that the Roblox application has permission to access your microphone. Go into your device's settings and explicitly grant microphone access to Roblox. Also, confirm your device's sound input is set to the correct microphone you intend to use. Sometimes, a simple restart of the Roblox app or even your entire device can clear up permission glitches. If voice chat is still not appearing, it's time for some advanced troubleshooting. Consider reinstalling the Roblox application entirely. This can fix any corrupted files. Also, ensure your device's audio drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause microphone issues. If you've tried all these steps and still have no luck, reaching out to Roblox support is your best next move for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.